In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and then choose Autofill with Google over here. Now select Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wanna get rid of and enter your screen lock. Then choose the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!